Honorable Prime Minister, fellow ministers, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to be here after some while. I've been attending this breakfast meeting, and credit goes to Mr. Sehgal, who has been holding over 2 decades. We had very interesting discussions in the past on this forum, very useful, very informative. I won't repeat anything about economy. Prime Minister and our Honorable Finance Minister must have run you through. The path is towards growth, because a country having around 2.5% population growth cannot live with 2.5% or 3% growth. So Prime Minister and finance team is actively pursuing this goal, and I'm sure this is nothing unachievable. Country has shown its resilience. In 2017, we reached 6.3% growth. We had the highest foreign sector reserves, and we had very low inflation at 3.59. So that means that Pakistan has the capacity to reach those great targets again. We were declared globally 24th global economy, and we were just 4 notches away to be part of the G20. Years 2018-2022, we fell to 47th economy, and Prime Minister has dilated the challenges he had to face in PDM government when he assumed in April 2022. So we are out of work, stability is there, now the work is for growth. Few words on Pakistan, which was known to be diplomatically isolated. Just 3 years back, we are fully engaged and integrated with the international system. Alhamdulillah, it is now difficult for Prime Minister to choose whom to invite, because so many great dignitaries wish to visit Pakistan, and where we should go, because there are a large list of pending the invitation of Prime Minister to visit. So this is something unique, as opposed to 2012 when we won the UN Security Council election with just 1 vote. This time we had 182 versus 5. So this is what the global confidence is there. We are playing all proactive role under the leadership of Prime Minister in all burning issues. It is a very serious phase in the global diplomacy. It's it's a transformative phase, a challenging phase. You're seeing all over from north to south and east to west. So we are engaged everywhere very proactively and trying to contribute our share in order to achieve the peace and stability around the globe. So we are engaged with our neighbor partners, we are engaged globally, we are engaged with all international forums. So I'm sure you will have many good news to hear in the due course, inshallah. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day, and I've been working till the night last night. Thank you.